So yes guys, welcome back to Geek Guild, and in this video we will be adding two numbers. Okay, so let's write the comment first. Add two numbers. Okay, so we will be adding two numbers in C. And so just let's get started. But then before that, if you want all the videos and all the codes we are doing in here, then just hop into description to get all the information. So let's start the program. Let's write int main because it's an integer return program, and then we will be writing okay, so int done. Right, now we need to define some integer values. We will be defining a for storing the first number, and then b for storing the second number, and s for storing the summation of both the numbers. But then yes, for in the first case we will initialize s will be 0, okay, so that it will go smoothly. Okay, now we will be writing printf so that the user will get information that you need to input the numbers now, right? So enter the two numbers to add. Okay, now we will switch the line, or I should say we will go to the next line by /n, and then we will take the input. Okay, so in C programming we take input by scanf. Okay, I have written print spelling wrong. Okay, that makes sense, and we will print f. Okay, so we will take the input from scanf, and then we will be writing $d and $d for storing both the numbers. Okay, for storing both the numbers, where one will be stored at a comma and one will be stored at b, right? This is how everything's gonna work out, right? Now what we will do, we will just add up and store the values in s. So s will be a plus b, right? So now the values of a and b has been stored, or I should say added up and stored in s. Now what we need to do, we just need to print this statement, print s, print f, the addition, okay, the sum of both the numbers is, will be writing $d again as it is an integer value, and we will write comma s for just printing the stored value in s, and then we're writing return 0. Done. Okay, so this is the program that we require to add up two numbers in C programming. So let's run it and let's see if it is working correctly or not. Okay, so the program says enter two numbers to add. So let's say we need to add 10 and 6. The sum of both the numbers is 16. Yes, that is correct. So let's try it again, and now we will take some numbers like 20 and 56. The sum of both the numbers is 76. Yes, correct. The program is working absolutely fine. So yes guys, thank you for joining in, and love from Geek Guides.